If you're like a lot of business owners right now, you might be wondering, okay, with AI search and tools like ChatGPT, is SEO about to be replaced? Well, the short answer is no. And the long answer is AI is actually making good SEO more important, not less. And in this video, I'm going to share 7 quick reasons why SEO and AI work better together, especially for small and mid-sized businesses. Let's start with the big picture. Even with AI, people aren't searching less. They're actually searching more. Google is handling billions of searches every day, and more of those are full questions. People typing in exactly what they want to know, from how much does a local CPA cost to best IT provider near me. That means there are more opportunities for your ideal customers to find you, not fewer. Sure, AI might be changing how they ask the questions, but they still end up on websites at the end of the day. And the websites they find are the ones that are doing SEO. Okay, I want to acknowledge that AI search is real and growing, but right now it's just a slice of the pie. When we look at pages that show up in both traditional Google results and AI experiences, the vast majority of actual clicks still come from the classic 10 blue links and local results. And in some cases, more than 90% of the traffic is still coming from regular organic search. So it's not Google versus AI, it's Google plus AI. You don't want to abandon SEO and chase AI only. You want to be visible wherever your customers are looking. Here's something a lot of people overlook. Most customers don't discover you once and then buy immediately. For many businesses, around 90% of people first hear about a company through an organic Google result, and only a small fraction are ready to take action right away. All that time in between, when they're researching, comparing, checking reviews, asking AI follow-up questions, that's where SEO quietly does its job. When you keep showing up with helpful answers, you stay on their radar. Then, when the timing is right, you're already the familiar, trusted option. This is the mindset shift that calms a lot of AI anxiety. AI tools don't invent answers out of thin air. They pull ideas, patterns, and facts from existing content, including the same websites that already rank well in Google. Both AI and traditional search depend on the same core signals: Google's EAT principles, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. When you publish high-quality, well-structured content that answers real questions, you're helping both systems understand that you are a credible source. One piece of content can help you rank in Google and increase your chances of being referenced, summarized, or echoed in AI answers. It's one foundation, 2 outputs. AI tends to show up most for informational searches, those early, just researching questions. That's important, but it's only one stage of the journey. When people get closer to buying, they search differently. They start looking for things like IT support company near me, dental clinic open Saturday, or estate planning lawyer pricing. Those searches still lean heavily on classic organic results, map packs, and local listings. If you're in legal, accounting, healthcare, IT, home services, anything where location and trust matter, disappearing from those results is not an option. That's where solid local and on-page SEO still do the heavy lifting. SEO doesn't live on an island. When you invest in it, you quietly improve almost every other channel you're running. You give AI more high-quality content to pull from. You make your landing pages cleaner and faster, which can lower your ad costs and improve conversions. You also strengthen your overall site authority, which helps you in maps, directories, even social and referral traffic. In other words, SEO isn't just another line item. It's the groundwork that helps your entire digital marketing mix perform better. AI-driven search is here to stay, but it's not replacing SEO, it's complementing it. Businesses that win in 2026 will keep producing high-quality, EAT-driven content, optimize for both human and AI consumption, combine SEO insights with AI search data to guide their strategy. AI may be changing how people find answers, but SEO still determines whose answers they trust. So will AI replace SEO? No. AI is reshaping search, but it's built on the same fundamentals SEO has always focused on: helpful content, trustworthy sites, and a clear signal of expertise. Now, if this video helped calm the "is SEO dead" noise you've been hearing, you're not alone. A lot of our clients are asking the same questions. If you want help figuring out how SEO and AI should fit into your marketing strategy, the Pronto team is here to chat with you. And if you like more straight talk videos like this, no hype, just what's actually working for SMBs, go ahead and hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.